children, in the last lesson we have studied lesson number 3, that is about relations and all. So that I will send you the classwork, and today we are going to learn about lesson number 4, that is food for health. So why you are going to eat your food? You are going to eat your food because of to get the energy to do some activities. Okay, health means what? ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಡ್ರಾ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ of 2 of your favorite foods and also write 1 to 2 lines about each of them. So what you are going to write your favorite foods. So I like pizza, that's why I have written pizza here. So if you are liking any other food, you can write the name of that and you have to draw here, and about that you have to write 2 lines. Okay, so here pizza I have written. I like pizza, though it is a junk food, but we are enjoying it. Okay, so another one is ice cream. I like ice cream. In ice cream all flavors I like, so it's a heavy fat but still we love that. Okay children, so you have to write in that activity in the lines they have given, no, there you have to write. So after that let us see. So food for health. So why we have to eat the food? We have to, whenever we are hungry we will eat the food, right? So without hungry no one will eat. So if you are going to eat the food, whether you are going for the healthy food or junk food, so you have to eat always healthy foods, not junk foods. Okay, food, it gives us energy to work and play, and also it helps us to grow. Okay, it keeps us healthy and strong. So next, so from where we get the these foods, like sources of the food. Here, sources of food. So what are the sources of the food here then? From where the food is going to get for us? One is from plants, another one is from animals. Okay, under the plants, which are the things here, which are the items you are going to get? Here, fruits you are going to get, right? Vegetables, then cereals, pulses. Cereals andre ಕಾಳುಗಳು, pulses andre ಬೇಳೆಗಳು. Then what? Medicines like tulsi, neem, these are all medicines, right? Next, tea, spices. Tea andre tea powder. Spices means here what you call cloves, ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು spices. Okay, so these are the things which you are going to get. Another one is coffee seeds you are getting from the coffee plant. So these are all the things which you get from plants. Okay, next, animals ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? Milk. First is milk, then meat, then what? Chicken. Next is fish. Next one is egg. Okay, next is honey. These egg, honey, milk, meat, chicken, fish, these all we get from the animals. Okay, here milk you are going to get, children. From with this you are going to prepare curd, then ghee, anything. Okay, so next egg. Here egg items are also so many. So under this only you are going to prepare different dishes. Okay, here also the same thing, you are going to prepare different dishes, and here also you are going to prepare different dishes and you are enjoying it. Okay. So which one you like, whether plants or animals, animal food? So most of the people, they are going to like nowadays the animal food itself. Okay, nowadays no one is going to like these plant foods. Okay, so better you have to, humans are meant to eat only plants. Okay, plant products, not animal products. Okay, remember that one. Next, here food groups. So based on the food, you are going to classify. There are three things. Okay, so which are those three things? Let us see. Here, bodybuilding food. Second one is energy giving food. Third one is protective food. So here food groups. Based on this food, we are going to classify into three groups. That is bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food. So here what is meant by bodybuilding foods? So where you have you seen the bodybuilders, children? So some of them will be seen, but here they will build their bones and muscles by eating what? More protein. So where the protein will be present in which food it will be present? In the milk. Okay, milk, egg, chicken, meat, fish. So all these are bodybuilding foods. In this, the protein will be present more and it helps them to build their muscles very strong. Okay, so next is energy giving foods. Here the energy giving foods are carbohydrates. Where the carbohydrates are present then? In flours, all wheat flour, jowar flour, corn flour. So in all the flours, the carbohydrate will be present, and whatever the roti and all you are going to eat, in that energy giving foods will be there. If you eat that, suddenly you will get the instant of energy, that is chocolates also. Chocolates also if you eat, you will get instant energy. Then sugar, if you eat, you will get instant energy to work and play. Okay, so next is protective foods. Protective foods, it will protect us from the diseases. So it will protect us from diseases means the disease will not come to us. Why means here the protective foods are healthy foods. If you eat the plants like vegetables, fruits, it is a healthy fruit. So if you eat that, the diseases will not come to us. Okay. So next, what do you mean by vegetarians? Vegetarians means here who will eat only the plant products. Those people we call it as vegetarians, and who will eat non-veg from the animal what we are getting, that who are going to eat that, we call them as non-vegetarians. Okay, next we are going to see what is balanced diet. Okay, before going to that, I will show you the chart here, page number 24. The chart is there for the food groups. They have classified protective food, energy giving food, bodybuilding food in the here in the triangle. You are going to see the foods are classified. First one is protective food, second one is energy giving food, third is bodybuilding food. Like this they have classified. Here now we are going to study balanced diet. Balanced diet means what? A meal what you are going to take. Okay, that should be in the right proportion. Right ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ತಿನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಏನು ಊಟ ತಿಂತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. So that we call it as right proportion. That we call it as balanced diet. Okay. So here food items like burger, pizza, cold drinks, chips, these are all what? Junk foods. Okay. So this will give taste to eat, but it is not a healthy. Okay. It makes us obese. Obese andre fat. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ದಪ್ಪ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಬಿಲೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಸೊ unscramble the words by identify the food items. I will show you. Here unscramble the words, but they have given you the food items. So here they have jumbled the word letters. You have to make it correct. Okay, first one is cheese, second one is eggs, third one is burger, fourth is banana. Okay, write in your book. Next, that is raw and cooked food. So some vegetables you are going to eat it raw, and some vegetables we are going to eat by cooking the food. Okay, if you cook the food, then all the nutrients will be washed out. Okay, so before better to eat the food vegetables by eating raw itself. So how much you will eat the raw food, that it is good for your health. Okay, so which are the foods you are going to cook and which are the foods you are not going to cook, raw only you are going to eat? Let us see. Okay, here tomato you can eat it raw, cucumber you can eat raw, lady's finger you can eat raw. Okay, so cabbage you can eat it raw, onion you can eat raw. So like this many vegetables you are going to eat it raw. So other than these vegetables, green leafy vegetables also you can eat raw, like methi, palak, that also you can eat raw. Okay, so if you here some of the foods you are going to cook it. All the vegetables most of the times you are going to cook, but here cooking, if you cook or wash, all the nutrients will be vanished. Okay, so better to eat the raw foods. Here if you cook it more, then here one nutrients will also be not present in that. Okay, so better to eat the raw foods. Next is meal of the day. Meal of the day. So here meal of the day means 3 meals we are supposed to take in a day. That is breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, breakfast is the first meal of the day that we are supposed to eat, and it is very very essential for us to eat. Why means after a long gap we are going to eat it in the morning time, that is we call it as breakfast. And here before we are going to school we will have that breakfast. Okay, next is lunch. We eat the lunch in the afternoon at 12:30. So after we come back from the school. Okay, so if you are in the school also, the 12:30 will be the correct time to eat. So in between breakfast and lunch, there we call it as another one, it is there that we call it as brunch. Okay, 11 o'clock, whatever something you eat means that we call it as brunch. Okay, so next is dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day, and here we have to eat it less compared to breakfast and lunch. Here you have to eat it less at the night, that too at 7 o'clock is the correct time to have the food. Before going to the bed, 2 hours before you have to take the food. Okay, and you have to maintain the timing for your meals, and you have to drink the lot of water. So it is good for health. So water will help us to throw the waste from our body, and water it helps us to digest the food properly. Okay, so this is all about what meal of the day. Okay, so some of the good habits also, eating habits. Good habits is different and good eating habits is different. So we have to follow here to stay healthy. Some of the good eating habits you have to follow. What you have to follow? Wash your hands before and after the food properly. So we must wash the fruits and vegetables before eating and cooking. You should not overcook the food. Only you have to cook the food. If you cook more, then you will vanish all the nutrients in that. We should finish all the food whatever on our plate. So you should not leave a single item also in your plate. We must eat slowly and chew the food. How many times you have to chew your food? That 24 times, right? So food items should be kept covered always. Why means all house flies and all come and sit on it. That's why you have to keep it properly. After having the meal, we must keep our soiled plate and bowl in the kitchen. Soiled plate means tindiranta plate na ಮತ್ತೆ bowl na kitchen ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. So you should eat fresh and well cooked food. So fresh ಆಗಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಫುಡ್ನ ತಿಂದರೆ you will be healthy. Okay, read the lesson children. Thank you.